Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Ads approved but not running problem. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, go to your Google Ads, then go to the campaigns section. Here you can see the option. Click here. Now scroll down and click to this settings icon. Just click on this icon. Here you can see you can edit everything about this campaign. Just change the language. You can see it is automatically selected to English. You have to change it to all languages. Then the locations. Select the location to all countries. Then save it. Now the job is done. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.